Hi there, Chris here. I have another all brass Yale here for All Brass Wednesday. I'm just fiddling around in my drawers and finding some of these locks. So this one I have not picked. It just came. I did squish it out a bunch with lighter fluid, and it has one of those universal keyways. And it says 112305 across here, and that says F6. This key is not a Yale key. It says A3 on it, but it is an Atlas key, which is kind of cool. It's a 6-pinner, but it's like one of those, a whole bunch of keys fit these universal keyways. This is one I think, this might have come from Doug, I'm not sure. But the key fits that as well. This one works. This one I have picked. This one I haven't picked. So I thought I would pick it. All right. Top of the keyway with the Mad Bobs. I'll try single pin picking it. Really light tension. I'm just trying to tickle set. What's that, Sook? I don't know if she got in frame or not, but she stretched and her paw came over here somewhere. Okay, where was we? Oh yeah, it's 6. Come on, let's get back there. And you can see the core going up and down a little bit. The tension is that light. My tension wrench might be on that first pin. So you don't want that. Let's see. Okay, it's clear now. And actually, it's the pins after the first pin, I think, that are a lot higher or need to be set higher. Well, I'm not getting it. Phooey. Ooh. Little notification. William Ansell, some old padlocks. I will be going there. All right, let's try something different. Oh, well, I'll try this. Nope, let's try raking it. Rock and rake. having minute chord turns, which means I'm getting to it. And the chord is very quiet, so let me see if I can just find the pin. I don't think it's one. Little set on 2. Oh, we're down in the back. There we go. Okay. So this is a very cool old Yale. Are we keeping you up, Sook? Huh? Yes, Sook. She finds some really good padlocks. She finds really good all kinds of locks. Anyway, thanks for watching. This one's a general that I've been playing with. It came 0-bitted, and I cut a key for it and pinned it, and put security pins in it. Spools, so I may be picking that in a while. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. Talk about an old, beautiful old padlock. This be him, Jim. Anyway, we will see you next time.